Could a light rain actually do more harm than good? Hi, I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. When soils are really dry and seed is just laying there in the ground waiting for rain, a little rain could be even worse than no rain at all. How can that be, you ask? For seeds to germinate and grow, they need to absorb enough moisture to get started and then keep hydrated until the root system is developed enough to start bringing in water to the plant. When you catch only a very small rain and then things dry right out again, you may get enough moisture to begin the germination and sprouting process, only to have the seed swell up and then dry back out. For this reason, when you're trying to start a garden, for example, you want to sufficiently water the seed bed on a regular basis until everything is up and growing well. Out in fields, most farmers do not have irrigation, so they're praying that once the rains do come, that they're more than just a few sprinkles so their plants get enough moisture to keep on growing. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.